Hey buds, it's Fly High FPV. Wanted to say that I am a veteran and I am completely disgusted by the weaponization of FPV. What I have been seeing these warmongering companies do it's gross. For them to take from our community and turn it into killing machines is not okay with me. And any one of these companies that's telling you that every company in FPV is a military contractor, they're liars. They're trying to normalize that behavior, and it should not be okay to do that. I, for one, have always boycotted companies that are turning FPV into war machines, and I will continue to do so. I recommend everybody take a long, hard think about what they're doing and what their actions could lead to, because these kinds of activities are not good for our hobby. They're not good for our professions. I run a drone store. I'm a Part 107 pilot. I'm driving down to film a documentary about seagrass today to try and change the planet, to try and improve the situation that we're all living in. And I think that you should all too. I would highly recommend you think twice about where you're buying from and whether or not your vendor is a military supplier.